Introducing the Volkswagen Tiguan Eleg 2.0tdi D7F 150HP 5-door auto, the ultimate combination of luxury, safety and style on the road. Packed with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone and hands-free boot release, this SUV is designed to enhance your driving experience. With security features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can have peace of mind on every journey. The Tiguan also boasts a sleek chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails for a sophisticated look. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specifications, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.